Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about the new 24 RLHL by Heritage Glen. First thing I want to show you is it has a power tongue jack, and the front cap of this is full body paint. Not the logos, but the paint part is full body paint on this one. If you come around here, has a nice enclosed underbelly, okay? Has the slam latch doors. And it also has a solar hookup right here if you want to hook up an external solar panel. You have a big power awning on it, outside speakers, and you also have a place for your dog. So if you have a dog, you can strap your dog to this and they can have fun out in the sun. If you wanted to put a TV on here, you can add a TV. There's a 110 plug-in and also for cable right there. You have the nice wheels on this one, okay? You have the new solid steps on this one, and check this out. Has the bigger arm, banister to get inside. It's pretty big, so if you have shorter people that needs help getting in here, but take a look inside. Come on. We could start here from the back. First things first is you have a nice closet right here. Hanging closet. These shelves do adjust, so if you need to adjust those shelving, you have the recliner chairs right here. Big window. Your rear entertainment is put right here on the top of you, and your speakers are right here. Then you have storage on both sides, okay? Then you have the shades you can pull down on this one as well. Then you come over here, you have a dinette. So you just get the recliners and a nice dinette. Then you got the 8-cubic fridge on here too. So not a 6, this is an 8. Pretty big fridge. Then if you come over here to the kitchen, they took the time to put this big extra leaf right here so you can have more counter space. Nice counter space. You have big storage for your pots. And then you have a nice stainless steel microwave. Plenty storage here. Plenty storage in here. Nice window. Awesome. Then if you come inside, got the big bathroom that's going to be in the middle of the trailer. I'm 6 feet tall. I fit perfectly in here. Hey, how you doing, Ma? Take a shower in here. Porcelain toilet. And you have your sink. And you have your medicine cabinet. And you have a nice little window here to look out. Then if you come into the main bedroom, you have closets on each side. But if you step over here, see behind here, you need to put a CPAP machine. You got 2 cubbies behind the cabinets right here. So you got a 110 plug-in and you have USB on both sides. And then you have just massive storage up there as well. If you wanted to put a TV, it's going to be right behind you. You can fit a TV right here, TV backer. Now, let me show you what the TV is in this one. Voila. You have a nice fireplace here. Your heat comes out of those two. And this is a TV that flexes around. Now, this button right here, guys, this is the only trailer that's going to have heated tanks. It's going to have heated underbelly. So what that means is it's not just forced air. You actually have a sheet that's under there warming up the tanks. When it hits 48 degrees, that's when those tanks will start warming up, or the heating element under there will start warming up the tanks. You have vacuum bonded floor on this one and vacuum bonded walls on this one. Make for a solid trailer. Follow me outside. I'll show you something about outside. You have this big rack here. You can add a backup camera if you wanted to. Come over here. Window on the slide. Outside shower. You also have an enclosed underbelly as well. So this is the Heritage Glen. If you guys have any question, this is a great trailer. Anybody that's looking for a couples coach that wants a couple recliner chairs in a reasonably priced trailer, give me a call. My name is Anthony.Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thank you.